So total of 8 brands all happening at Reflection Gallery. Few of the brands are offering amazing discounts like footwear, flat 1000, flat 1500. We have leather upcycled belts for 800. Then we have 20% off on cotton wear. Saris just starting from 2100. Then we have Bandhej collection. We have a brand from Surat. So do check that out. Swipe left to see the collection.
Hi, this is Bhumi. We are from Surat. We are brand Travia, and here we are with our very fun, colorful summer collection, which you can use around the year, not necessarily only in summers.
Super pretty.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes, and we use 100% cotton fabrics and different weaves. So yes, you can dress it up, dress it down. This is one of the best collection. These are all handmade flowers. We use it from the surplus fabric that we have from different garments that we make.
Yeah.
And we also have sets which are really cute with bow details. And then these are flowers we made from scrap fabrics that we have left over from other garments. So yeah, and we do customize in size, colors, anything that you like. So please drop by.
This is brand Wild Soul. Now they have an offer on belts. These are for flat 800. So pick any. For these 2 days you get flat prices. Then this is their new collection. It's cute. Okay. Look at those. Pouches.
These are different types of bag tags.
Bag tags.
Yeah. We have cats and dogs.
That's a dog. Alright. Then we have more.
Then we have a range of gents stuff. We have female wallets, clutches, different styles of card holders.
Look at that. Small pouches.
This is something like this. It's open from the center.
Okay, like a wallet
Yeah,
or something.
yeah. It's a full wallet.
Very cute. Then we have these lines. Hi.
Hi.
Yes.
We are from Kia by Avni. We've got these kind of very smart kaftan shirts. These are in Bagru prints.
Yep.
Lots of new colors in that. This is really smart. You can check this. It's a nice kaftans.
Very pretty.
Yeah, there are a few out here. Okay. And some bandhani shirts.
Okay.
It's also very nice with a beautiful detailing out here.
Yes.
Also, we've got suits like this. What I'm wearing, these are like pure mal with a nice double layered pants, and also paired with a dupatta. So if you want to add a dupatta and make it more formal, so I've got more colors in this also. So the colors are out here.
Oh, nice. How are these priced?
These are for 5,500 offer price.
Okay.
So we are running an offer for around 20-25% off on selected items. These are also very smart and mild.
Oh, nice.
Parita from M by Parita. This rack is on flat 1500. Sizes છે પણ available છે બધામાં 1500 flat prices per મળશે.
Okay.
Let's go to our new collection. Casual ma, I have this kind of fringe shorts which can be styled up or down. Then with lots of button details. A smart long maxi dress with pockets. And I do have this fully embroidered beach short dress and short. The one I'm wearing.
Yes.
I do have this in short as well.
Alright, shirt and a dress.
Yes.
Okay.
Then something in red with heavy embroidery.
Very cute.
If you want something for night time, then I do have jacket and dress.
Cute.
Then a casual short.
Pure Bandhej collection. This is Pacheri. Hello. Hi. Let's start with the collection.
So we have this gaji kurtas in color bandage,
Okay.
and this can be customized in the colors.
Okay.
Right, and then we have muslin fabric. We have lot of color options, pastels, dark colors for your festive needs are
Very
coming
good.
up.
So this is what?
This is muslin silk kurtas. The kurta fabrics,
Oh,
yes.
okay.
And then our signature dupattas in Georgette. We have Rai Bandej dupatta in Georgette, and we can get the Mukesh work done. Yes, we have a lot of color options.
These are the colors. ये भी पूरा मुकेश का सिल्क है. You can get it done. Customization is possible. Reds, we have different colors. Whites. So this is a footwear brand called Solvay. Now they have an amazing offer running. Whatever flats you see are flat for 1000 sare. Look at that, these kind of flats like Kolhapuri style, something with shells and all. These are for flat 1000. और अगर आप heel में लेते हैं so these are for flat 1500. So limited period के लिए तो है ही, 2 दिन के लिए ही है, आज और कल at Reflection Gallery. And yes, come as soon as possible. So these are all the entire stock that you can choose from. Hello, your brand name?
Kramesha Dasani.
Yes.
We are here with festive and we are here with casuals. We are here with jackets. So, in short, we have everything for you.
Alright.
We have
Oh, very pretty.
a blouse and a drip skirt like this. We can customize also.
Okay. Very pretty.
We have Banarasi kaftans also. We have modal cords also.
Pretty.
And then we have our new mulberry collection where we have cord sets.
Okay.
We have dresses like these. We have linen dresses also like this one.
Okay.
And then we have linen shorts.
Hello.
Hi.
Your brand name?
નવતા
Yes, ma'am.
મારી પાસે વેડિંગ કલેક્શનમાં નવું છે, લાઇટ વેટ યેટ એલિગન્ટ.
Yes.
આમાં કલર ઓપ્શન્સ છે. પછી આ ઓર્ગેન્ઝા કોટા, મસ્લિન ઓર્ગેન્ઝા એન્ડ સોફ્ટ મેટાલિક ટિશ્યુ. પછી એમ્બ્રોઇડરી વર્કમાં બી સારીઝ છે. આ રીતે એમ્બ્રોઇડરી વર્કના બુટ્ટા આવશે પલ્લુમાં.
वाह, इसमें भी कलर ऑप्शन.
હા, કલર ઓપ્શન છે.
Oh wow, pretty. क्या रेंज है मैम?
2100 to 6000.
Okay.
પછી આ રીતે ટેસલ્સમાં વેરાયટી છે. આ છે ગોલ્ડન
Beautiful.
અને એમ્બ્રોઇડરી વર્કમાં બી વેરાયટી છે.
Very nice.